All right, you lovely lot. So you're thinking about this whole keto thing, eh? Good on you. It's a right proper way to eat, it is. Loads of delicious fats, just enough protein to keep you strong, and barely any of those pesky carbs. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it can be a bit daunting at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's a piece of Victoria sponge cake. Or should I say, a piece of keto cheesecake. The key here is to be prepared. This isn't some fad diet, you know, it's a lifestyle change. And a bloody good one at that. You're going to be saying goodbye to bread and pasta, but hello to creamy avocados and juicy steaks. Don't worry, you won't starve, I promise. So, are you ready to embark on this delicious journey with me? Let's get this keto party started. Now, listen up, because this is crucial. If you want to thrive on keto, you need a plan. Imagine trying to build a shed without any blueprints, absolute chaos. Same goes for your meals. You wouldn't believe how many people fall off the wagon because they're unprepared and end up munching on a biscuit in a moment of weakness. Take some time each week to plan out your meals. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a rough idea of what you're going to eat each day. This way, you'll always have something keto-friendly on hand and won't be tempted by those carb-laden devils. And remember, variety is the spice of life. Don't just eat bacon and eggs every day, though I wouldn't blame you if you did. It's bloody delicious. Mix it up with some leafy greens, colourful veggies, and some tasty cheeses. Now, let's talk about those first few weeks on keto. You might feel a bit, shall we say, off your game. It's totally normal, like a car switching from petrol to electric. This is where a little something called Alpilean comes in handy. It's a brilliant supplement that can give your metabolism a right proper kick in the trousers. Think of it as your secret weapon against the dreaded keto flu. This stuff is made with natural ingredients that help your body burn fat for energy more efficiently. Brilliant, isn't it? Just remember, supplements are like the cherry on top. They're great and all, but they won't do much if you're not eating right and planning your meals. Section 4, Custom Keto Diet, your personal food guide. Right, now this next one is dead clever. It's called the Custom Keto Diet, and it's like having your own personal chef who knows exactly what your body needs on this keto journey. You tell them your goals, your food preferences, and even how much time you have to cook. Then Bob's your uncle, they whip up a bespoke meal plan just for you. This isn't some one-size-fits-all nonsense. This is personalized nutrition, mate. It takes all the guesswork out of keto and makes it easy to stick to. And let's be honest, we could all use a bit of simplicity in our lives, couldn't we? So, if you're feeling overwhelmed by the thought of figuring out this whole keto thing on your own, give the Custom Keto Diet a go. You won't regret it. Section 5, GlucoTrust, keeping your sweet tooth in check. Now, I know what you're thinking, Jamie. What about my sweet tooth? I can't live without a bit of pudding. Listen, I hear you, but sugar is a right sneaky devil on keto. It can kick you straight out of ketosis faster than you can say bangers and mash. But fear not, my friend. GlucoTrust is here to save the day. This nifty supplement helps keep your blood sugar levels in check, which is crucial on keto. It's like having a bodyguard for your sweet cravings, keeping them at bay so you can stay on track. Remember, it's all about balance. A little bit of what you fancy does you good, but don't go overboard. And when those sugar cravings strike, GlucoTrust is your new best mate. Section 6, Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, a refreshing boost. Let's talk about drinks, shall we? We all know how important it is to stay hydrated, especially on keto, but why settle for plain old water when you can have something that's both delicious and good for you? Enter Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, a refreshing and healthy way to support your keto journey. This juice is packed with natural ingredients that can help boost your metabolism and support healthy digestion. Plus, it tastes absolutely cracking, perfect for those warm summer days when you need a little pick-me-up. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and well-being, and Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a tasty and convenient way to do just that.